Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create gold text effect in Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, go to File and choose New. Here select your document size. And hit Create. Cool. Hit Alt Backspace to fill foreground color. Now take Text tool. Increase the text size to 500. Then type like this. Perfect. Now positioned it to center. Hit Ctrl J to duplicate the same layer. Hide the bottom layer. Now double click on top layer for blending options. Here enable gradient overlay style. And change some settings like this. Now the time to create some depth. So enable bevel and emboss and change some settings here. Now the time to create glowness. Enable Inner Glow and continue the changes. And press OK. Perfect. Unhide the bottom layer. Double-click on this layer for blending options. Here enable stroke style and make some changes like this. Now enable bevel and emboss and make some changes like this. Also enable outer glow and continue the changes. And press OK. Now hold Shift button and select two layers. Hit Ctrl G to group the layers. Perfect. Now the time to see the final result. Thank you and need your support.